Welcome students to my class Accountancy Simplified. In today's class, I shall discuss the mode of preparation of receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account along with balance sheet of non-profit seeking organizations. As I have told you in the earlier class, receipts and payment account is the summary of cash transactions as recorded in the cash book, analyzed and classified under different heads. It records receipt towards capital account and revenue account as well as payments on account of capital expenditure and revenue expenditure as well. The opening balance of receipts and payment account as is available from the closing balance of last year's balance sheet is brought down as opening balance. Receipts and payment account is prepared from the ledger balances as recorded from cash book. The receipt towards capital account and revenue account is posted to the debit side of receipts and payments account under the head receipts, and the payments on account of capital and revenue expenditure is posted to the credit side of receipts and payments account under the head payments. The difference between the two sides of receipts and payments account determines the closing balance, which is disclosed at the end of the year at the balance sheet under the head current assets. Receipts and payments account contains accounts relating to capital and revenue, both in respect of receipts and payments. It records transactions relating to previous year, current year as well as of the next year also. In respect of payments, receipts and payments accounts contain expenditure of last year, current year as well as of the next year also. So receipts and payments account records all transactions as is recorded in cash book irrespective of the year for which the receipts or payment is made. But income and expenditure account is very choosy. It does not obtain or record all the transactions as recorded in receipts and payments account. It records only the revenue items, both in respect of receipts and payments, and that also in respect of current year only. Because the main purpose of preparation of income and expenditure account is to ascertain the current year surplus or deficit of the non-profit seeking organization. Of course, the information as obtained from receipts and payments account is adjusted by way of adjustment entries as we have done at the time of preparation of final accounts and balance sheet of profit-seeking organizations. The common adjustment entries which are made at the preparation of final accounts is also done here in respect of income and expenditure account, like outstanding liabilities, prepaid expenses, pre-received income and accrued income as well, along with depreciation on fixed assets. Next, if the credit side after making all such adjustments, income and expenditure is balanced, and if the credit side is greater than debit side, it represents surplus which is transferred to capital fund, and if it is otherwise, it is called deficit which is also transferred to balance sheet under the head capital fund. So this is all about preparation of income and expenditure account, which I shall show in the whiteboard in details in due course. Now, how to prepare balance sheet of non-profit seeking organization. I have told already in the last class that concept of capital as we found in respect of profit seeking organizations is absent in respect of non-profit seeking organization. Here capital is the difference between total assets and liabilities of the entity. The opening capital, if not given in the problem, is to be ascertained from the last year's balance sheet by totaling the total assets and deducting therefrom the total value of liabilities. And with the opening capital as determined from the statement, the surplus or deficit as is obtained from income and expenditure account is to be adjusted either in terms of addition or subtraction. Receipts and payments account contains capital item and revenue item both in respect of receipts and payments. So out of capital and revenue items are transferred to income and expenditure account. The rest, capital receipts and capital payments, do appear in balance sheet. The assets as are disclosed in the last year's balance sheet is to be added with the addition, if there be any, in the receipts and payment account. And if there is any disposal of assets, that is to be adjusted in terms of loss or profit, which will be shown in the income and expenditure account, and the book value of the assets which was sold is to be deducted from the value of the asset as was shown in the last year's balance sheet. The closing balance of receipts and payments account will be shown as closing balance under the head current assets in balance sheet, and the capital receipts and other capital expenditure which are shown in the receipts and payments account is to be shown accordingly in the either in the asset side or liability side as the case may be. So this is all about the preparation of receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet of non-profit seeking organization. This is an overall discussion, and it will be more clear to you when I will solve a problem on the whiteboard before you for better communication and understanding of the subject. Till then, goodbye, and if you like my lecture, please like, share, and don't forget to click the subscribe button of my channel for better circulation of my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.